Hi, mamas. Let's see. This is a pretty girl. Hi, mamas. This is a pretty mamas. Yes. Good girl. Come here, mamas. Are you gonna nibble on Auntie's hand, Tom? Yes. She's back there sneezing because I just put on the Purell. Come here, mamas. Hi, stinky girl. Hi, mamas. I love her markings. Look at how beautiful she is. Hello, baby girl. Hello. Is she getting all the love, huh? Is she hugging all the love? Yeah, she's so sweet, though. Look at those little whisker holes. Her freckles and then her whiskers come out. So cute. Oh, look at this little belly. No babies ever. That's awesome. That's awesome. Looks like I don't see a space guard. Oh, wait, maybe right there. Yeah, looks like she's spayed. Hi, mamas. Come here, hurry before she comes. Let me give you some love, Mom. There you go. Hugging up all the love. Okay, neighbor. Come here, Mama. Come here, Mama. Come here, Mama. She's got a big old booty. Look at that big old butt and the waggy tail. Oh, she's got an underbite. You see her underbite? So cute. Okay, come here. Oh, Mama, you stepped in the poopy. Yucky. Okay, come here, Mama. Hurry before she comes back. Hurry, Mama, hurry. Good girl. Okay, bye, girlfriend. Bye, girlfriend.